Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable option let other person find you using your phone number on X account. So we added our number in X account. If other person has my phone number, then that person can find me by using phone number on X. So we are going to enable that option. Now you see multiple option and then you see setting and support. In setting and support, now you see setting and privacy. So click on it. So we are in setting option and then you see multiple option. Now you see privacy and safety. So again click on it. So we are in privacy and safety option and then you see discoverability and contact. So click on it. Now you see discoverability. Let other find you using your phone number. Enable this option. People who have your phone number will be able to connect with you on X. So after this, any person that have your phone number will be able to connect with you on X. So we enable this option. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.